everyone, my name is Przemek Chojecki and this episode is about games, because games are really important for development of AI. So my previous episode was about Magic the Gathering as an example of one very complex game which would be perfect to automate or optimize with artificial intelligence slash machine learning slash deep learning, but it's still to come because it's really complex. So you probably already heard a lot of news about like Go, chess, done already. So chess was done already in the 90s. There were some concerns about the solution because there was not really an AI system in place. But then DeepMind came along with AlphaGo, and then AlphaGo Zero, which was even better because it learned by playing only by itself with just the rules provided and no data set. Which was an amazing achievement. On the other hand, we have OpenAI with Dota 2, and lately, very recent news was Seek and Hide game and different collaborative systems within the game. There are also people doing StarCraft as a kind of automation, so that was also done by DeepMind in partnership with Blizzard. And there are really a lot of things going. So why games are important? So basically, games are starting to model our world, and by limiting some of the things you can do within the game, you can pass that to the machine as kind of an input. So in the end, we're trying to have AI systems to operate in the world and do some of the tasks for us. But in order to have this kind of complex systems, you need to start with something smaller, and games are perfect toy examples for many of the tasks available in the real world. And achievements like that, like building systems to play Dota or Go, is a perfect way to actually progress AI in a good direction. So there's more coming in that direction from many different players. Also, Rubiks Cube, that was also recently done by OpenAI, which is a great achievement. And more things are coming like that. That Rubiks Cube is actually a great example of something which is already in the real world. So that's like a robotic arm being able to solve the Rubik's Cube by itself, no matter what's the configuration of the cube that you're given. So that's really a great achievement, both in robotics, computer vision, and processing of all that. So there's more coming along the way, right? Both from DeepMind, OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, because actually everybody is working on different AI systems. And the goal in the end is to have some of that autonomous and helping us in the real world. So autonomous driving is one of the examples, autonomous cashiers, automated shops, that's another one. There are really many jobs you could automate, and we're trying to automate in order to make the world much smoother, faster, and also less tedious for human beings. Because if you can take away the boring stuff, the manual stuff, that'd be really a great benefit. So that was why I was talking also about Magic the Gathering, which is on a totally another level of complexity. And if you were to actually build a system to play Magic the Gathering competitively, build decks which have unfair advantage, that would be really cool, and that would be a great achievement also in AI. I'm also posting this video as kind of a challenge to all the machine learning community. Please do something with Magic the Gathering and try to automate that. That's really a hard problem to solve. And that could really progress us further on the road to building artificial general intelligence, about which I will talk in one of the next episodes. Thank you, please subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next episode.